studied the physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Generally, haloalkanes and haloarenes are highly reactive compounds due to the presence of polar CH bond. The chemical reactions of these haloalkanes can be classified into three types. That is, first one is nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is NSR, and second one is elimination reaction. And third one is reaction with metals. So in this video, we are going to discuss only about nucleophilic substitution reaction. This nucleophilic substitution reaction, before that we need to know what is nucleophile. Nucleophiles are electron-rich species, and the groups like cyanides and nitrates possess two nucleophilic centers and are called amphident nucleophiles. That is, the nucleophile is an electron-rich species. It has an electron. For example, cyanide group. Cyanide group is a hybrid of two contributing structures. So it acts as nucleophile in two different ways. What is the formula of cyanide? C triple bond N. That is cyanide. This cyanide in nitrogen has lone pair of electron, and here also lone pair of electron is present. It has two resonance structures. Another one is C double bond N. Here nitrogen has the lone pair as well as the negative charge, electron rich. Here when it links through carbon atom, it results in the formation of alkyl cyanide, that is alkyl halide links through the carbon atom. It results in the formation of alkyl cyanide, that is RX is an alkyl halide. It reacts with cyanide, C triple bond N. This nitrogen has lone pair of electron and this one has also lone pair of electron. This alkyl halide links through the carbon atom. So it's the formation of alkyl cyanides, RCN plus X minus. But in the case of when the alkyl halide links through the nitrogen atom, it results in the formation of isocyanate. This RX plus C double bond N. Here RNC plus X minus. Similarly, in nitrate ion means NO2 minus. This nitrate ion also links through the alkyl halide links through oxygen atom. It results to form alkyl nitrate, and the alkyl halide links through the nitrogen atom. It results in nitroalkanes. That is, it has also two resonance forms, that is N double bond O, here O minus, and nitrogen has lone pair of electrons. So the alkyl halide links through the oxygen atom. It results to form an alkyl nitrate. That is alkyl halide formula RX. It links through the oxygen atom. So O N double bond O to form RO N double bond O plus X minus. X is a leaving group. And in the case of alkyl halide linked through the nitrogen atom, it results in nitroalkanes. That is, RX X is an alkyl halide. It links through the nitrogen atom. So it forms nitroalkanes. Here RNO2 plus X is a leaving group. Among alkyl halides, iodide ion is the best leaving group, and hence iodoalkanes undergo the nucleophilic substitution reaction at the fastest rate in the comparison of fluoroalkane, because fluoride ion is the poor leaving group. Now we see what is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction means a group or an atom is substituted by a nucleophile along with the transfer of electron pair from nucleophile to reaction center and from the reaction center to the leaving group. That is, this is nucleophile. It has a lone pair of electrons. This is alkyl halide. Takes place, this nucleophile will comes in attached with the alkyl halide, and here CH3 tertiary alkyl halide. This will leaves out and it will attack here. When a nucleophile is stronger than the halide ion, it will react with the haloalkene having a partial positive charge on the carbon atom bonded to the halogen atom. A substitution reaction takes place and the halogen atom leaves as the halide ion. Since the substitution reaction is initiated by the nucleophile, so it is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, RCl. It will react with an alcohol, that is aqueous KOH base to form ROH plus this chlorine will leaves out. OH is a strong base. So the OH of the base is stronger than the leaving group chlorine because corresponding acid water is weaker acid than HCl. On the basis of the kinetic substitution reactions are of two types. Here the base OH is stronger than the leaving group Cl- because the corresponding acid water is a weaker acid than the mineral acid. On the basis of kinetic substitution reactions are of two types. They are SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. SN1 means unimolecular substitution nucleophilic substitution reaction. SN2 is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we study SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. If the reaction follows first order kinetics is called SN1 reaction. That is when only one molecule is involved in the rate determining step. Such type of reactions are generally carried out by polar protic solvents like water, alcohol, acetic acid because they stabilize the carbocation by solvation. Solvents. Protic polar solvents are the solvents which has hydrogen bonding between them. Here the reaction between tertiary butyl halide and alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol which follows first order kinetics. That is, the rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant which is tertiary butyl halide. That is, this is tertiary butyl halide. That is, this is tertiary butyl bromide reacts with a protic solvent. Gives a OH bond. It will react. It will comes into attack this carbon and this bromine will goes out, leaves leaving group. So we get 2-methyl propane 2R. Now we see the mechanism of SN1 reaction. The mechanism of SN1 reaction involves two steps process. The first step is the rate determining step. It is a slow step. Here the polarized CX bond undergoes slow cleavage to form a carbocation and a halide ion. That is, the tertiary alkyl halide undergoes cleavage. The cleavage is taking place here. So this cleavage taking place and to form a carbocation and the halide ion will leaves out. In the second step, the carbocation combines with a nucleophile from the reagent or protic solvent to give alcohol. This is the first step. That is, the carbocation combines with a nucleophile to form a product. For example, the carbocation combines with the OH minus. It will comes from water molecule. And the first step, the second step will follow and we get the 2-methyl propane 2R. When we see the stability case, greater the stability of carbocation, greater will be easily we form the yield from the alkyl halide and faster will be the rate of the reaction. That's why tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 reaction very fast because of high stability of tertiary carbocations. Therefore, the order of reactivity of alkyl halide towards SN1 reaction is tertiary halides and secondary halides and primary then methyl halide. Methyl halide have low stability and tertiary halide have high stability. In the case of allylic and benzylic halide shows high reactivity towards the SN1 reaction because carbocations thus formed gets stabilized through resonance. So friends, in this video we study only the reaction mechanism of SN1 reaction. So in the next video we will learn the evidences in support of SN1 reaction. Thanks for watching.